Hello everyone, Nitin here again. So in this demo we'll see how we can automate our Alexa skill end-to-end using Botium AVS connector. So this is my Botium file. I have already explained in my previous video the usage of Botium file. Okay. Now here we'll be using Alexa voice service. So we'll be requiring the few details of our Alexa voice service. That like client ID, client secret, refresh token. We'll also be using this Amazon Poly and Amazon Transcript services and S3 bucket. So Amazon Poly is nothing but a service, AWS service for converting text into speech and returning that file in MP3 format. Okay. So in this process, the output file is then fed into S3 bucket, which is then consumed by transcript job, which converts speech into text. Now that text is been verified over here with the expected output. I'll give the overview of my application as well. So here's my Doctor Connect application skill set in this case. So this is how I'm invoking my skill set with the invocation like name like Alexa ask Doctor Connect, and this is how the conversation goes with Alexa. I'll be providing the details like with whom I want to book my appointment with, like with what kind of doctor I want to book an appointment with, the dates and so on. Once all the details has been received by Alexa, then only it will book an appointment with the cardiologist or with the specific doctors. So this whole conversation is called multi-level conversation. Okay. So I'll go to my code base. Now this is my application hosted locally. So this is what is responded by the Alexa. Now this is SSML. This is nothing but the speech synthesis markup language. The tag of this is just like an XML tags. Okay, so whatever returns between speak and then start and end tags will be spoken by Alexa. So okay, so this is how it goes. So it will be hitting the APIs of Amazon Alexa. Okay. Now I have provided the slot value. In this case, slot is nothing but the variable which will be needing. Like suppose I find the starting test is static, like book an appointment. Now I can provide with the cardiologist, radiologist. That is a slot. The doctor name, the doctor is a slot over here, is a variable. This is how it goes. That it will be returning with the okay for which date, and then I'll be providing with the specific date to book an appointment. Okay, once all the slots has been done, she will be returning with the confirmation message that okay, your appointment is confirmed and so on. Okay, so now I'll be moving back to my test project. So this is my test cases. This is my first test case where I'll be invoking with this with the invocation name, and then verifying the output of my Alexa. Okay, this is my expected output. Okay. Similarly, my second test case is the complete conversation is fragmented into two files. Like first is invocation, and second with the appointment booking process. Okay, so this is all my expected output. I'll be running this test case. So now this test case will fail. I'll explain why. There's nothing wrong with the test case, but there is a problem with the tool which we are using. So the problem over here is that this tool is good for a single query or single level conversation, not for the multi-level conversation. Like suppose if I want to switch on my light, if I tell Alexa please switch on light, your light turned off. This is what Alexa responds. So I can verify this kind of single statement conversation with the Alexa, with this tool. When it comes to the multi-level conversation, it's going to fail, because this transcript job used to take few time to convert the output of MP3 into text format, and meanwhile the Alexa is waiting for the another command to be fired. The default time of Alexa is 8 seconds. So if the user doesn't provide any query or any questions to Alexa within 8 seconds, it will move out of the session, and the Alexa will lose the context of what we are talking about. So that's the problem over here. So now if you can see, so I have my first test case got passed. Okay, like Alexa asks Dr. Connect, this is what I have fired as an query to Alexa, and this is what I got in return. So bot returns welcome Alexa, and this is my expected output. So this matches. So this is the first test got my first test case got passed. Okay, whereas now meanwhile the Alexa was waiting for 8 seconds, and it didn't receive any output input queries from user, so it got failed. So now it's moved out of context. In this case, I have the second query was like book an appointment with cardiologist, as she's moved out of context, so she's fired with this. So in short, this tool is good for single conversation, where it's not suitable for multi-level conversation. I have already raised a ticket or logged the issue in the site in GitHub. Okay, so it's not responding within a time, or the complete end-to-end conversation is not been tested properly.